The Salvation Army is widely known for their thrift stores, homeless shelters, and of course the bell ringers outside of storefronts during the holidays. But what many people don't know is that it's also run by an evangelical church. The Salvation Army is not only a charity, but a religion, one which comes with the typical package of conservative Christian beliefs. According to their position statements, the Salvation Army considers marriage to be one man and one woman to the exclusion of all others. They go on to claim that gay people are called upon to embrace celibacy as a way of life, and furthermore, Scripture forbids sexual intimacy between members of the same sex. They justify this by citing a book, the Book of Leviticus, which at one point states that gay people should be killed. As if that's not enough, the Salvation Army has also brought their anti-gay beliefs into the political arena. In 1986, the Salvation Army in New Zealand held a petition drive opposing a repeal of the country's laws against homosexuality. In 2000, the Salvation Army in Scotland opposed the repeal of Section 28, which described homosexuality as a pretended family relationship and prohibited schools from treating it as acceptable. In 2001, the Washington Post uncovered a secret deal with the Bush administration that would have allowed the Salvation Army to disobey state and local laws prohibiting discrimination against gay people. The administration had made a firm commitment to exempt them from the law, but refused to grant them an exception after their dealings were made public. In 2004, the Salvation Army threatened to close every soup kitchen and homeless shelter in New York City rather than follow the law requiring city contractors to provide equal benefits to domestic partners. Apparently, helping the homeless just wasn't as important as discriminating against gay people. If you support the Salvation Army, you are supporting bigotry. This is how they're spending your money, on anti-gay religion and anti-gay politics. But there are plenty of other charities that do just as much good without spreading discrimination, such as Doctors Without Borders, Direct Relief International, the American Red Cross, Heifer International, and the Trevor Project. You can help support a good cause, without enabling religious prejudice. But unless and until the Salvation Army renounces their anti-gay policies, don't give them your money and don't give them your used goods. There are better options out there, and there's no place for hate in charity.